How to update iOS software faster. In this video, if you're struggling to find out how to do that, we are going to teach you in easy way. But first, what you have to do is tap on Setting app. As you tap into Setting app, go to your software update and tap on Update Now if you have not updated your software yet. Once you tap into it, leave it for a night and it will automatically be fixed. But sometimes what happens is because of your low battery, it can be a little bit slower. Make sure that it is fully charged and leave it overnight if you're updating your software. Thirdly, what you can do is you can go and check on your iPhone storage. If there are many videos that you have to delete, please delete it. Once you do that, it will automatically update your software a little bit faster. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.